What a go on good is? Yeah, man. So here I have some chicken that I'm going to French fry, and I decided to share it with you. I already seasoned and breaded my chickens. So I season my flour, season my chicken, and what I do, I dip them into the flour, dip them in water, and dip them into the flour again, just to get them nice and crispy. Of course, I have to fry them in a Dutch pot. So when I fry them in a Dutch pot, deep fry them come out so crispy and nice. Look at that. Whoa, 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 look at this chicken thigh. But you don't know we can't do chicken alone. We're Jamaicans, so you don't know. So I have to put on a pot of curry goat so we can get the curry gravy. Curry gravy and fried chicken is the best thing. Of course, we have the rice and peas, which is already cooked, as you can see. So I come back and I finish fry the chicken them goodies. So we have a lime this evening. So you don't know, so we have to do a whole lot because my friend them coming over. Look at that leg. They don't just want to bite in this leg. So you don't know, me have to do the thing right, start out the thing good. And that's my son in the background trying to say hello, hello, hello. Yes. So look at these chickens. Let me know if you want the process step by step and how to get them nice and crispy, just like this. And I have a spicy chicken recipe as well. I'm going to share that one with you guys. But if you want to see it, let me know. But trust me, this fried chicken better than takeout. Look at them. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Crispy and nice. So, until next time, goodies, walk good and may God bless you.